Hey guys, if you remember, I did some work on this trailer a while back, and I finally was able to get some reinforcements added to these cross members there. So I'll show you what I got. So I need to paint some rust converter on there and then paint it with that farm and implement paint. And then I can put the floor on it. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so you remember this jack right here was bent forward a little bit. He straightened that up, and of course you can see all the rust on there. Same thing with this. He sistered some angle iron right here to that cross member, and to this one, this is square tubing, so he sistered that to there, so that should really make it way more strong than it was. So I just got to buff that rust off and then paint it with the encapsulator, and then once that's dry, then I can hit it with that farm and implement paint, and then I can put the floor on there and it should be good to go. Okay, I got the beast spread out on there. Just got to wait for it to dry and turn white. Looks like it's already turning white a little bit. And once it turns white and it gets dry, I can paint it with that black paint. Okay, just got all these boards. This is going to be the boards for the deck of the trailer. Got them all laid out, and I'm getting ready to burn them with the propane torch. And then once I do that on both sides, I'll get some diesel fuel and soak them down with that. Now these are pressure treated boards, and I may not have to do it, but I like the way it looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Maybe it'll help protect them even more. The next thing is I'll douse them down with some diesel fuel. They look good. I love the way it looks. Did the same technique on my sawmill shed a couple of years ago. Came out nice. I like the way it turned out. So I'll do it on this. Got some diesel in this little squirt bottle. I'm gonna see if it'll spray on there pretty good. Oh yeah, it's working. Hey guys, so yesterday I torched all that, soaked it with some diesel. Today I'm gonna cut it to fit and try to get it mounted in the trailer floor. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes smooth. Okay, I got it on there, but I wasn't able to get it done without removing the angle iron back here on the back. I ended up cutting a few short to get them in under that angle iron, and then the end I had to cut 3 welds to get the angle iron off so I could get the rest of the boards in. So I guess the next move is take it to my little welder guy. He's gonna put the angle iron back on, and then it'll be done. Hey guys, today I wanted to finish the video on my trailer refurb, and finally getting around to it. So let me show you what's going on. So replace the boards on here. As you could see in one of the other clips, I had to cut this piece off to get the boards on. I got half of them in, but then there wasn't enough room to get it. I tried jacking it and it didn't work, so took it to a welder guy that I use, and I cut that piece out, and he put it back on and welded it back for me. And he also added some screws right there and right there into the supports that are underneath. So finally done. I will probably put another coat of diesel on there. If I can get some used motor oil, I may mop it down with a mixture of diesel and motor oil to help it to be more waterproof. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Any experience with waterproofing using stuff like the diesel or used motor oil? Tell me your experiences and what y'all think. Thanks for watching.